welcome to this short little clip here. Some of the students and I were working on transposing on the run, where you just sort of look at a piece of music and have to figure out where your instrument falls, which it creates great challenge, and then the question often comes up is, well, what's the relevance? Why do we do this? Why is it important? So I just took a little clip of something I just recorded, the Hollow Knight theme, and what I did is I used one piece of music, and I did it on a whole bunch of instruments. So I did it on trombone, flute, clarinet, saxophone, and trumpet. And the idea is I force myself, without rewriting down notes or changing it up, to look at it and have to figure out in my brain what the notes were. So truly the exercise we were working on as a class, transposing on the run. So this is a real life application of where it can be helpful if you're recording a part and you're only looking at one part. So I was looking at a piano score, which probably is one of the more common scenarios for musicians to do. So take a look, enjoy, and here's a little clip.